For our problem number 2, a reversed curve consists of two curves of equal radius. Okay? Same lang yung radius natin, same lang yung kanilang measurement. The curve is to connect two parallel roads that are 60 meters apart. So parallel daw yung roads which is 60 meters apart and the length of the common tangent is 180 meters. What is the length of the curve from PC to PT? So ano yon? From PC to PT. PC to PT. Diba yun yung pinagsamang length of curve from the first curve and the length of curve from the second curve. Okay? So kakailanganin lang pala natin yun. Yun lang yung tinatanong. But how can we solve that? So i-draw muna natin yung ating reverse curve with equal radius and parallel yung dalawang road. So let's say this is our first road. And syempre, kung parallel siya sa pangalawang road, ayan. And mag-change ng direction. So yung common tangent daw natin ay 180 meters. Let's say yung common tangent natin ay ito. Ayan. So asan na ngayon yung ating first curve? So let's say andito yung ating gitna, point of reversed curvature. Siyempre, di ba kung ito yung common tangent natin, nandoon yung pinagsamang T1 and T2. Okay, so equal naman yung radius, therefore T1 and T2 will now be equivalent. Okay, or will be equal also. So let's say if this is our T1, dito rin si So this is now our first radius. Kung ito yung T1 natin, syempre yung radius natin ay perpendicular dyan. Let's say ito na siya. And if this is our point of reverse curvature, ito yan. And mag-i-extend lang sila, same lang siya dito. Okay? So asan na ngayon yung curve natin? Ito na siya. Ayan. So this is now our PC. At this point, this is our point of reversed curvature. And this one is our point of tangency. Okay? This is our back tangent and this is our forward tangent. This is our radius. Also, given daw yung radius natin, equal lang sila. So kung R ito, R lang din ito. Okay? And the two roads are parallel which are 60 meters apart. So ito sila. Ano ngayon yung 60 meters? Okay? So yan na yung ating reversed curve with equal radius and parallel tangents. So if we are going to extend this, kapag in-extend natin to, diba ito na yung ating central angle ng first curve. Ito na rin siya. And also, kung central angle to, kung ayan, ibig sabihin ay din ito. I rin ito. Okay? So, next, ang goal natin is to determine or what is the length of the curve from PC to PT. So, our goal is to to determine the length of curve from PC to PT. And again, how can we solve that? That is the combination of the length of the first curve plus the length of the second curve. Ito siya. L1 plus L2 lang. But how can we solve for the value of L1 and L2? Pero dahil same lang nga si radius, same lang yung radius natin, therefore L1 and L2 will now be equal also. And how can we solve that? That is pi r I over 180 degrees. Okay? So, kailangan muna nating ma-solve si r as well as si I. Okay? So, i-solve muna natin si radius. How can we solve for our radius? Ito na lang. Diba sabi natin, radius ay equal sa dalawang curve. So, R1 is just equal to R2. As well as, yung T1, same na rin siya sa T2. Okay? So, paano natin ngayon masosolve? Si tangent muna. Sabi natin, we have the length of common tangent which is 180 meters. Therefore, 180 meters is equal to T1 plus T2. And again, T1 and T2 is just the same. So, pwede kong sabihin that 180 meters is just equal to twice ng T1. No? Same lang kasi siya dito. And therefore, our T1 or same lang siya sa T1 and T2 is just equivalent to 90 meters. Okay? So meron na tayong tangent which is equivalent to 90 meters. Next, solve natin si R. How can we solve for our radius? Tingnan natin tong triangle na to. Diba 60 meters ito? If that is 60 meters, also 60 meters din ito. Tama ba? 60 meters din yan. And if this is our common tangent, that is also 180 degrees, 180 meters I should say. Tingnan natin tong triangle na to. So isolate ko yan, ito na siya. Diba this is 60 meters. And yung naka-incline, that is our common tangent, that is 180 meters. And ito na ngayon yung I natin. Okay, paano natin masosolve si I? Given yung ating angle, given yung kanyang opposite, meron naman na yung hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse, that is sine. Or so, sine theta or sine angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So sine angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So meron na tayong central angle na equivalent to 19.4712 degrees. Okay? Then, para ma-solve na ngayon si radius, given naman na yung ating tangent, so di ba, yung ating tangent is equivalent to r tangent I over 2. Given si tangent, given na rin si I, therefore we can now solve for the value of our radius. Okay? So yung radius natin ngayon will now be equivalent to our tangent, 90 meters, over tangent I, which is 19.4712 over 2. So our radius will now be equivalent to our radius will be equivalent now to 524.5591. And finally, we can now solve for our length of curve from the first curve and the second curve. Okay? So kunin ko muna to. Or pwede ko na lang mamaya, pwede kong gawin ito guys. Pwede kong sabihin that twice of the length of curve na lang, no? Yung masasolve natin. L is just equivalent to here or dito. So solve ko muna ito. Pi, yung R. So pi, radius natin, nakuha na natin, 524.5591 multiplied by I. Nasolve na natin, 19.4712 degrees over 180 degrees. So yung length of curve na natin is now equal to 178.2644. Okay, 2644 meters. And finally, the length of curve from PC to PT will now be equivalent sa pinag-times 2 lang natin to or twice lang ng L. Okay? So L from PC to PT will be 2 times 178.2644 and that is equivalent now to 356.5287 meters. And that is now our answer.